everybody, welcome back to Brailsford's Rides for another video. Today's video, I think you guys are going to like this one. We're going to kind of discuss car dress up, and pertaining specifically to the rarer models, the Boss 302s, the Mach 1s, GT500s, right? Car customization. How far should you take it? Can you go too far? Is there tasteful? Are there ways to tastefully modify? I personally believe that I've tastefully modified my Boss 302. We got a couple parts that we're going to add today that we got from our sponsors, Custom Pony One, that I want to share with you guys that I'm putting on my car because I think it does build to the Boss aesthetic, and it just makes the car a little more refined looking. Those things just sound amazing. So to start off today's video, we're going to kind of walk around the car real quick, talk about some of the aesthetic features that we've added. Sorry if you can't hear me over the exhaust. So you see the Roush side skirts, right? And the splash guards up front. I definitely would recommend splash guards for anybody running these cars, especially running on the track, as it does help knock down on the number of chips you get. Before I got those, I was getting a significant number right there. I did a little bit of paint correction, added those. Hasn't returned nearly as fast. I do have the striker lights. I can set them to look stock. I can set them to do crazy things. Right now we got the candy cane going because it's Christmas season. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Two things I do want to talk about in this video. We got our sponsor, Custom Pony One, has sent us two things to put on the car. One of the things I've already installed. He started making these custom decklid emblems. If you're a Boss 302 owner, you know the rear of your car is one of the most basic pieces out there. It often gets mistaken for a V6, which a lot of people like that. A lot of people like the sleeper aesthetic, but I like having that little piece right there, as I think it does really set it off. And it's 3D printed. It's pretty substantial. I got 3M on there. It's been on there for a while. It's not coming off. You can put it wherever you want. You can put it up high, over in the corner, you know. But I really like it right there. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'll put the link for his website in the description down below. But just tell me if you guys think if that's something you'd be interested in. Let me know. Maybe we can do a giveaway in the future. Next thing we're gonna do, pop this hood. As you can see, we got a lot of under hood dress up. Some nice pieces of carbon, the carbon fiber, Parnelli Jones cold air intake, carbon fiber reservoir cap, Boss 302 cover painted from JLT, strut tower covers from Custom Pony One. I've got two sets. We do have the battery cover, it definitely cleans that up a lot. And we've got the chrome cap kit. We also have a painted radiator cover, but there's one thing in here that really stands out that it's not covered yet, and that is the ECU. The ECU is not covered, and it kind of stands out like a sore thumb, and all these little crevices are definitely very hard to clean. But Custom Pony One has us hooked up, as he sent us a ECU cover. Now these things are awesome because you can get whatever you want on them. This one's really going to set off my engine bay. It's got my build number on it, 1306. It's really going to help complement the car and set it off at car shows under the hood. Definitely a piece I highly recommend. Again, I will put the link in the description down below, and you can go get your own. But it should just pop right on. Yep, just easy as that. It's snug, it's not going anywhere. But go get yourself a set today. If you're a Boss 302 owner, you can put your build on there. You can do other things, custom work, like I've seen skulls, I've seen Mustangs, the horse, what emblem, whatever you want. So definitely reach out to Matt at Custom Pony One. He will take care of you, hook you up from this to this. I love that. To the decklid emblems. This is his older strut tower cover. I've even got newer. There's newer sets that come painted. But man, the quality is phenomenal. Now, despite having all these nice dress-up pieces, you can overdo it on these cars. I've made sure I left the exterior looking as stock as possible. Unless I thought there was something that Ford could have done better, like the side skirts, definitely it makes it look like it's lower, and it's not. This is the OEM height, as you can see by the monster truck gap in the rear. But I dare not go any lower with those Cook side pipes because they for sure will scrape, and that's definitely not something we want. I've changed the rear to a 13 taillight, a GT500 spoiler. I wish they'd done something like this from the factory, or even just put the Laguna spoiler on all of them, because the OEM one is just far too short. But circling back to the ECU cover, this thing is very, very durable. It's rigid. I've had these strut tower covers on my car for years now. It's been like 2 or 3 years, and they're still rock solid. And they just click right on. That just clicks right on. It's installation as easy as it could be. But that all being said, not all Mustangs need to be modified substantially, especially these rare builds. If you can tastefully do it and make it complement the car, that's the key. I feel like I've done a very good job of that, complimenting my Boss 302. Get lots of comments at shows, events of my engine bay, and I really appreciate everybody who I've met, who's approached me and talked about the cars and talked about your cars. And I've seen a lot of really clean builds. A lot of people modify. You don't even have to stick with the stock wheels. You could even, if you switch to there's certain wheels out there that complement the car that aren't OEM parts. And a lot of people really get hung up on, I don't want to devalue my car. I don't want to ruin it. Well, you know what? Like, it's your car. Enjoy it while you can, because you're not here forever. You know, honestly, when I got the Boss on the racetrack, it was a freeing experience because I was immediately getting hit with rock chip. And I used to really fret over the paint, and now I'm gonna keep it clean. I'm gonna keep it polished. It's gonna always look good, but it's not a show car, guys. It's a car it's something to enjoy. And if you do keep yours as a show car, there's nothing wrong with that either. You know, you enjoy it how you enjoy it. Set it up how you enjoy it, and you know, forget what other people think. This is just my opinion as far as how the cars should be styled. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you'd like to see more from Custom Pony One, if you've got an idea for him on something he can develop, he's always open to new ideas. Comment it down below what you would like to see built for your car. He's always looking to explore other avenues of products that maybe don't exist yet, but there's a need for or somebody might want. So just let him know, and he might fab it up for you. You never know. With that, I think I'm going to end today's video. If you guys did enjoy this video, if you're interested in any of those aesthetic modifications, comment down below. Let me know what you're most interested in. He has done emblems for California Specials, GT500s, Nissan, or GT500s, GT350s, GTs, whatever, you name it, guys. So let him know what you want, and Matt will definitely hook you up. That being said, please everybody hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope everybody has a wonderful Christmas and is able to spend time with their family or their loved ones. But that's all I got. I hope you guys stay blessed, stay safe, take care. See you next time on Brailsford Rides. I'm out. All right, listen to this. Like it? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Raising them right.